We've prepared an exclusive 1+1 apartment in this full facility residence here in Mahmutlar. So if you're ready, let's check it out. Social activities here include an indoor and outdoor swimming pool, fitness, sauna, hammam, a playing area for kids, and of course many more.
Laissez-moi courir, libre comme l'air. Laisse-moi donc briller plus d'un moment, rêver sans frontières.
This is a 1+1 apartment with a total area of 55 meters square. It consists of a living room, an American-style kitchen, a bedroom, a bathroom, and a balcony facing a beautiful and nice historical site.
Au refrain comme une incantation. Et je dis oh, laissez-moi vivre comme je veux sur des nuages sous mon soleil bleu. Takana, tu connais Denize. Oh, laissez-moi vivre comme je veux sous les étoiles, sous la lune en feu. Oh, laissez-moi vivre comme je veux, loin des problèmes, sous mon soleil bleu. Sous mon soleil bleu, loin des problèmes, sous mon soleil bleu.
This apartment is about 500 meters away from the beach, and anything that you might need is just around the corner. So for more information, don't hesitate to contact us. Wish you have a nice day.